Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. And this time we're providing first paint protection film training here in our home country, Lithuania, capital city, Vilnius, at our partner's place, Mall Randy. It will be 3 days training and we have seven people attending to this training. So let's walk around and check what we have here. So here next to me we have Audi SQ8, and on it I need to apply paint protection film on entire front. It's actually a job for the customer and it's a good opportunity for the guys to see how all workflow is organized and how every single panel needs to be finished from the beginning to the end. As well, in next room we had another car where guys was able to practice their own skills on the small parts, wrapping wrapping mirrors, taillights, as well we did bonnet together, fender and bumper. We are in the process of installing paint protection film on this front fender, and I'm showing guys a few different ways how to do it. You can't cover every single edge, what they should avoid doing and how far they should wrap, and if some mistake happens, how they can fix. Yeah, this panel is in process, bonnet as well is wrapped, we still need to push just around the edge, and after we're gonna continue on this tiny kind of flare around this wheel. After that we will continue work on the front, we will install PPF on the bumper and headlight. For this car we will use clear PPF, but as well we can use tinted PPF. GSWF have 3 different shades, 30, 50 and 70. So let's continue our training. Gali būti ten 3 dulkelės, ten bent jau Vokietijoje taip yra pagal tas visas, aš žinau Lietuvos. The black piano part, customer pays for entire front, including everything or not? There's no, you can get a chrome.
No, I was saying in this particular, if you want to tint it like this.
It's not like this, it's kind of.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, so what we just did, right?
Yeah. Well,
unless it wants to protect that thing too, yeah. Depends on the plans, right?
Because now it's a big issue in Lithuania, not like issue, but some people, when they charge for the entire car, they start to cover everything, every single gloss part. So window surroundings, all moldings, because this part can be gloss black, and then you need to install paint protection film if you're doing full front. But it is extra, same like you buy a car, do you want to choose with the black parts, or do you want to go with the plastic?
Chrome, for example, like chrome from the change or not,
yeah, and the price is different, and you need to tell the customer, you know, if you have these gloss black parts, you want to cover them, you need to charge extra. So in this car, the silver can be silver, can be black.
Yeah.
For the black, if it's car color, you need to protect it. So guys, that's it. This training is finished. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to attend paint protection film training, don't hesitate and contact us through the email or just leave a comment below. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time.